What up, guys? So I want to show you. So I am not a software developer in any way. I don't know how to program. Um, However, I my entire business is a software-based business, which obviously needs a lot of programming. So first of all, let me show you what the software that I made, like what it actually does, so you get a perspective of what it can do. Create engaging, scroll stopping, professional videos and photos for any product for more traffic, customers, and sales. New effects are added weekly. After your purchase, we'll ask you what you're promoting so we can add even more effects for your particular needs. Okay, so you get the idea. So this is called teleplay, and what it does, if you're a small business owner, it lets you create amazing product videos in seconds. So see, sorry, I have cat allergies. So it lets you, so all those foreground effects that you see, instead of having to figure out how to add these foreground effects in some kind of complicated Adobe After Effects program, you can do it in seconds. And the teleplay actually started as a toy play for kids, and then I pivoted to make it a service, a software for small business owners to create amazing product videos. And as you can tell, it's incredibly complicated to make this app, and I've spent so the way I developed this, because I don't know how to program, it takes multiple people to make this app. What I did is I simply reinvested the profits of the sales from the sales of this teleplay kit slash software into the product development. So I think I've spent close to $100,000 to making this app work, paying the software developers, the programmers, and I think it and to me, software is exciting because it's you can get, whereas a product based physical business, like you have to have inventory, you have to worry about inventory, like what if it doesn't sell, your margins are much lower. With software, you're basically selling air, and that's a very good business to be in. Though I still love the whole physical aspect of a product based business, a software business has a lot of advantages as well. So let me show you exactly how I developed this software. Um, because when I talk to people, like they want to start a business and like they're having issues, and something I tell them is just go to Upwork. Go to Upwork. Like let's say I want to create a cat, like some kind of software for cats. So what I'll do is go to here, short term, um, like a visual processing app for cat recognition. This makes no sense, but it gets you the idea. Mobile app development. Let's just do. You're gonna have to figure out like which skills you want the people to have. You want your freelancers to have. Okay, probably medium-sized project, 1 to 3 months. You always want to click on expert. Might as well just get the best people. Say no to here. Next location. I always click on worldwide. Budget. It already does it for you. I just do hourly budget. And then it's just I want a video processing app which recognizes cat faces. Okay. And then I don't know, whatever. Let's post this job. And what you're gonna find, you're gonna get like, um, you're gonna get like 50 or like 30 to 100 responses. And what you can do, like you're already gonna get responses without doing anything. you're going to notice that Upwork tells you, hey, you should like promote your job post. Just don't do that. You're going to get a bunch of responses anyways. And then if you feel like it, you can find freelancers which work really, which you feel have a good resume. What I always do is I filter by, I look for 90% and up. And that's really all you need. Also, it helps if they have at least 10,000 in earnings. And that's it. Close filters. So this is if you want to invite people to a job. Um, it says I do this to just make sure I get as many freelancer responses as possible. And then it's just a matter of, narrowing down who you want to work with. And that's it. You don't need, I think sometimes people overcomplicate this. Like, I don't know anything about programming, but I do know what I want the app to do. And then it's just a matter of telling these people, like, hey, I want this done. And then they do it. Um, I think it's exciting because, I have always wanted to know how to program, but I feel like I wanted to know how to program because I wanted to create things. But now I'm creating things by simply telling people what to do, which is, I think, even better. So that's it, guys. I use Upwork to make my software business. And if you want to do that, I suggest you get on Upwork ASAP. And how do you pay these people? What That's, I think, a video for another time. How was I able to um, pay these people up to over $100,000 in total in a span of like 3 years? That's a video for I'll make time for another video on how I did that. Yep. Thank you for watching.